3819 West Angeles Street, South Tampa. A beautifully updated 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom, 2,557 square foot home in a great South Tampa neighborhood. Hi, I'm MJ Smook, broker owner of Smook & Associates. Thank you for tuning in to see my listing. 3819 Angeles Street is in a sought-after location in South Tampa between Kennedy and Gandy Boulevards. The home is in walking distance of Plant High School, as well as many popular stores and fine dining restaurants. The best feature of this home is tucked away at the back, a massive 600 square foot master bedroom suite with 10-foot high ceilings, beautiful wood grain vinyl floors, and a huge 110 square foot dual entry walk-in closet that is accessible from the bedroom and the bathroom, plus large windows that bring in lots of natural light and a glass sliding door that overlooks a small patio and private backyard. The master suite also includes a spacious luxury bathroom with an 8-foot his and hers double vanity, contemporary soaker tub, private toilet, and an oversized walk-in rain shower with a beautiful domed window feature above it that fills the room with natural light. The second important feature of this home is that it is a large single story. There are no stairs to climb in this home. The kitchen is also huge and includes stylish new cabinetry and quartz countertops, modern appliances, fixtures and hardware with a large window that makes the whole area light and bright. The open plan dining room and living room is also spacious with beautiful plank-style vinyl flooring throughout. There are 2 other sunny bedrooms, one which includes a small den or large walk-in closet, and both share the second bathroom. There is also a large 4th bedroom or ideal opportunity for a media room with its own luxury bathroom and walk-in shower. Finally, there's a large laundry and a separate mudroom or tool room with built-in cupboards. The property is nicely sodded and completely fenced. The driveway is newly paved and there is a useful storeroom in the backyard. 3819 Angeles Street is only a few minutes walk away from the library as well as Plant High, one of the best high schools in Hillsborough County, and is close to St. Mary's Private Day School, while also being zoned for the A-rated Coleman Middle School, Henry Grady Elementary School, and is also only 4 minutes from Tampa University, as well as Tampa General Hospital. Angeles Street also has easy access to St. Petersburg and Tampa Bay's beautiful beaches. 3819 West Angeles Street is available for showing by appointment only. For more information, please call me on 813-966-1674 or visit 3819angelesstreet.com.